Hello everyone, good morning, and today I'm back with another juice recipe that I would like to share with you. And this is ta-da! Turnip. Yes, I'm going to make turnip juice today. You might not like the taste of the turnip juice, but we don't have to worry about it because by the power of our powerful fruit, the apple, the taste of this turnip juice will be really good. So we have to mix turnip and apple juice for today. Before we start, disclaimer guys, I'm not anyone else like a medical expert. What I'm going to share with you today is just one of my learning while reading or studying about turnip and apple. So, turnip are loaded with vitamins and minerals. They said that if we drink turnip juice daily, we can get a lot of health benefits in it. It has high concentration of nutrients that help fight like liver and bladder problems. It has a powerful antioxidant that reduces the risk of cancer. Drinking turnip juice daily is an effective way to lose weight and fight obesity. It also reduces anemia. The high concentration of vitamin C helps in clearing the lung and bronchus congestion. This nutritious juice helps to remove kidney stone. It lowers the bad cholesterol in the body. It is a good source of potassium and calcium. It can prevent cataract. It has an anti-inflammatory agent. It helps to maintain a good immune system, helps in treating various skin problems, and it works as an effective cure of hangover. Once again, I'm not a medical expert. I just share you what I've learned in my readings here. So, let's get started. Let's make our turnip juice for today. Okay, so I have here 1 turnip and 3 apple. So, I use 3 apple because I want the juice a little bit more sweeter for today. As usual, we need to really clean our turnip and apple. You can peel it if you want to. It's optional. But I don't want to peel it. Now we have to slice our apple. Slice it into 4 times. But if your juicer is big, then to save time, put the whole apple there if you want. Now we have to slice our turnip. I always work here because this is the only spot that can work with my phone camera. Now we have our apple and turnips and ready for a juice. Now, let's enjoy our turnip juice. If you don't want the pulp, you can use the strainer to separate the juice and the pulp. But I'm fine with it. Let's drink. Cheers! Turnip juice. Let's drink. It tastes good because of the apple. See? Apple does the magic. So guys, that's all for today. I can share with you. Once again, I'm not a medical expert. I just love to share what I've learned. So thank you so much for watching. And please do subscribe and share it to someone else who might like turnip juice. Bye!